Hi, welcome back to A Breath of Fresh Air. I'm Tyra and I'm super excited to be reminiscing over a great ride with you today. We're going to be exploring Toquerville Falls. We've been on this ride quite a few times, so if you see video clips of different vehicles or machines, that's why. If you have any questions about where we went, please leave a comment below, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. I'll wait. Perfect! Thank you so much! We can now get into our cast bus and adventure. We're so excited you decided to join us. Half of the adventure is making your own maps, so here's the trails that we took. There are a buttload of trails from Leeds to Toquerville Falls and all over the surrounding area, so just pick a few and see where you end up. It's all part of the adventure, right? We're just gonna kind of pretend that that little hand didn't come out of the RZR, because that's a big no-no, right, Grandpa? Now, we don't like to beat the crap out of our machines very often, so this is kind of rare for us, but we did enjoy climbing up this rocky son of a gun of a hill, and eventually we did make it to Toquerville Falls, and even the big rig with no power ended up making it through the rocks. There is a parking area. There's two, a smaller one up the road a little bit of a ways. The road is pretty rocky. It's always busy. There's trucks, Jeeps, all sorts of vehicles, Subarus who think they can do anything are out there, but we would suggest taking your RZRs, side-by-sides, Jeeps, any high clearance machine, because the rocks do get bad in a few places. I did ride out to Toquerville Falls with a friend one time in a Ford Escape. We made it eventually, but it was definitely hard on the vehicle. We've been to Toquerville quite a few times. Sometimes there's a ladder leading down to the pool below where people will jump off and then climb the ladder and jump off again. Sometimes the ladder is there and sometimes the ladder is not there. Guess it's just the luck of the draw. We did see this guy do a pretty sick backflip into the water, but as you can see, it's not very deep, so jump at your own risk. After a quick stop to enjoy the falls, we decided to keep going down the riverbed. It was fun, but it got pretty deep. This was video footage from April, so this is what it looks like when it's running off during April. We climbed out of the river bottom and ended up on top of the world at some towers. It's always fun sitting up there feeling like you're the king of the hill. After a lunch break, we decided to head back and get on the road. We eventually found our way to the historic Stormont Silver Mill. This was a pretty cool bunch of ruins. We had some time to explore before a whole bunch of people showed up with paintball guns. So I don't know what kind of club you need to be in to get invited to that, but this would be an epic place to have a paintball gun fight. This is a classic example of monkey see, monkey do. We ended our ride by visiting the historic Babylon trailhead, where we found some dinosaur tracks. We hope that video gave you a much needed breath of fresh air. Please drop a comment below if you have any questions. We also want to ask you to drop a comment if you have any suggestions for us. We're kind of new to YouTube and we want to make the experience of watching our videos better for you. So if you like the drone footage, if you like the pictures, if you like the commentary, if you don't like the commentary, let us know so that we can update and adjust and adapt for you. We want you to enjoy the adventure as much as we do. So please do that. Please have a great rest of your day and please keep adventuring.